Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can add access title and edit its properties. Let's start. Just select the chart. From this plus sign, you can add access title. As you see now we add it. If you want to add only vertical axis or horizontal axis, just from axis, from here, primary horizontal, you can uncheck directly title of horizontal axis or remove. And for this one in the same way. Okay, now easily if you double click on it, you can change the title. For example, rainfall millimeter. Okay, for this one, you can write months. Again, if you select here and right click, from here we have styles. You can select different styles. For example, I selected this one. Again, you can change its outline color. For example, I change it to this one. Okay. Regarding the text, if you select the text, you can make it bold, change it to, for example, Times New Roman, right? Times New Roman. Enter. Okay. For this one, in the same way, right click, you can select a different style, select the text. You can change its size. I think that's all. If you found this video helpful, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice time.